People are missing. 2 people are dead in western North Carolina. The search continues, and leaders there now are asking for federal assistance.
Our Taggart Houck back live for us in Canton tonight. And Tag, visits today from Governor Roy Cooper and Senator Thom Tillis both.
Yeah, I just want to give you a sample of what we're seeing, right? You can see the mud. You can also see the mud on a lot of different items here. This is from the brewery, which is just along the river. Those leaders seeing this today, pledging to do what they can to help.
We know what it is to be down. We know how it is to fight back when the odds are against us. We have been here before. We will get through this.
The beginning of recovery amid a difficult search.
There is so much that has been brought down the river that's been picked up in people's yards and carried for miles and miles, to include homes.
More than 200 families tonight without a home. Senator Thom Tillis and North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper touring the area.
Get to work on trying to do everything we can for federal assistance.
Including this brewery in Canton, right off the river.
They have the grit and the grace to get it done. We just have to work on it. We have to make sure the state, the governor I know is working on it, emergency management is working on it, and Senator Burr and I will do everything we can to provide support and get it through the FEMA process.
Pisgah High School football field covered with mud, the playground at a nearby rec center damaged, and this pool a murky brown.
We will rebuild in western North Carolina from these floods. I know the kind of people who are here. I know the local leaders. Sheriff Christopher, Mayor Smathers, others who are here. I know that we'll be able to build back stronger than ever.
You can see the water level in this river still very high. A lot of people thinking about back to 2004. At that point, there was a major flood in this area, but the mayor of Canton today saying that what they are seeing at this point in time is even more damage than from what many of those people remember back in 2004. For now, in Canton, Taggart Houck, WYFF News 4.